Now let's move to where. That sounds like a question. Now let's move to where. Where as a question word. All right. So where is ehe. All right. Ehe. 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 And this is the full word. So the in front is the prefix which we tend to drop, especially when we are not beginning the question with this. Okay, so if this appears at the end of your question, then you will drop the the initial and then you will just have he. Okay, as where, he. All right, so I can ask, worekɔ he? Worekɔ he? Worekɔ he? Worekɔ he? So this is with the question word at the end. So I have dropped the So we have worekɔ he. But if I bring the he to the front, if I bring the question word to the front, then I will say ehe na worekɔ. Ehe na worekɔ. Ehe na worekɔ. All right. Again, I can ask wofiri he. Wofiri he. Wofiri he. Wofiri he. Okay, so again, I have the he at the end. If I bring the question word forward, I'll ask ehe na wofiri. Ehe na wofiri. Ehe na wofiri. Okay? Ehe na wofiri. We also have Ehefa, which is also where. All right? So we have Ehefa. 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 Now, the difference between this and the first one, ehe, is that for this one, we have added fa, and fa is half. Okay, half, side. So, ehefa, literally, you are asking which side. Okay, which side, which half. Okay, so I can ask, for example, ehefa na wofiri. Which side, which half are you from? Okay, so if you are Ghanaian, I can ask you, ehefa na wofiri. Ehefa na wofiri. Not to say that you can't use ehe to ask this. You can. So you can ask ehe na wofiri. But you can also ask ehefa na wofiri. So for this one, literally you'll be asking which side, which part of Ghana are you from? Okay, ehefa na wofiri. I can ask Ayaresabea no wo hefa. Ayaresabea no wo hefa. Ayaresabea no wo hefa. Ayaresabea no wo hefa. Again, I can use just the he. So I can ask Ayaresabea no wo he. It works. But I can also ask Ayaresabea no wo hefa. So as you can see, the question word hefa is appearing at the end. So I dropped the initial Right, so I can move this forward and then I'll have ehefa na Ayaresabea no wo. Ehefa na Ayaresabea no wo. Ehefa na Ayaresabea no wo.